Hello everyone and welcome to another video from the series of Guadalupe. In this one I will show you how do I paint the Shining of Guadalupe. I use this glue for the gold leaf, but if you have a better suggestion or another kind of glue, I will be grateful to know. There are some materials that I am still exploring. You need about 15 minutes to let the glue set before you apply the gold leaf. Wait another 30 minutes or an hour to let the gold leaf set and stick to the surface before you brush it out. You can brush away the leftovers of the gold leaf on the areas where the glue was not applied. I always save the leftovers of the gold leaf to create a compost. Then I can use these pieces to create another texturized effects in other paintings. I start with a neutral background layer, transparent enough so that you can see through the gold leaf and achieve a translucent effect. You can also find here on Patreon another video that I made about how I used tempera, so that you can apply this technique on the painting. This video is part of a series of videos of how I paint a Guadalupe using tempera and oil. Each video is focused on a specific aspect of the process of the painting, like how to paint the face or the dress details, for example. On this video I will show you how do I paint the Shining of Our Lady of Guadalupe. As you can see here, I used an Indian red pigment to create an outside perimeter, and for the inner aura I used titanium white plus ochre, leaving the gold leaf visible in the middle. To create a translucent veil over the Shining, I used gold powder mixed with Liquin. I applied this over the Shining, merging the colors together and letting the gold leaf see through. When you use more Liquin mixed with less gold powder, you will make the veil more transparent to let through the other colors. Here you can see how the gold leaf remained subtle under the gold powder and how the colors of the Shining merged softly together. Then I add the rays. As you can see, some are longer and straight, some are like waves and shorter, and there are even other shorter rays to create a rhythm. To soften the lines or make them straight, I apply first the pigment and then soften the edges with a fluffy paintbrush while it is still wet. I want to create even more contrast, so I use even a lighter tone of titanium white plus ochre in the inner aura. I apply the pigment first and then I soften the edges. This can only be made when the previous layers have dried, so that you won't mix the colors together. To emphasize the contrast effect of the Shining, you need to also change the surrounding area. In this way I paint a translucent layer of raw umber, mixing the pigment with Liquin. In this way the Shining of Guadalupe produce an effect of shedding light to her surroundings. This is how the painting ended looking like when I finished it. You can see the subtle reflection of light on the gold leaf and the gold dust, as if it was part of the pigments, but it is in reality a hidden gold secret. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for more videos, and I will be glad to get back to you in the comments. See you later. Bye.